Taurus, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular month has in store for you. So the first card that I see is the Five of Wands, the Hermit card, and the Fool card. Now person B here has the Knight of Pentacles, the Star card, and they have the Seven of Wands. Now we'll also go ahead and see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, the blockage that I see in this particular relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now bottom of the deck I have the Empress energy, which means that either you or your person is currently in a very powerful energy, because the Empress energy is major arcana. Also in some situations it could mean that maybe one person in this relationship is pregnant, or they can get some news about some kind of a pregnancy. Now what I'm seeing here from the first set of cards is that you have the Five of Wands, the Hermit card, and the Fool card. Okay. Now with Five of Wands, there could be people in and around you, and that could be some kind of competition that you may be facing, or people trying to interfere in your business. Okay. Now because of people around you and it's causing that stress to you, you will get into that Hermit energy, which is Virgo energy, and you will withdraw and go within, because you want to self-reflect and understand why the situation is happening. Once you come out of this energy, you will move to the Fool energy, which is again Aries energy. And with the Fool energy, you will go ahead and take a big leap of faith and maybe march forward in a totally different direction, or you will go ahead and do something that this other person is not expecting from you. Now for person B here, they have the Knight of Pentacles, the Star card, and the Seven of Wands. With Knight of Pentacles, that's a very slow moving energy. That's the slowest knight in the deck, which means that this person will take very small steps towards you and this relationship. However, they do understand that with the Star card, that you are their wish fulfillment, but it causes them a lot of stress, because maybe they see a lot of people around you, and that's what causes them a lot of stress. Okay, because when they see a lot of people around you, that's when all those negative thoughts come into their mind. Now let's also see what is the mutual feeling here. That's the Ace of Cups. With Ace of Cups, it's a new beginning. This person wants to start new, fresh with somebody. It could be a different person altogether. It could also be with you as well. Now let's also see what is the blockage in this relationship. So the blockage is the King of Swords, which means that there's a kind of a conversation that both of you need to have, and whenever you have that conversation, you need to ensure that both of you speak the truth. There are no facts which are hidden, there are no secrets. Now let's also see what is the outcome. That's the Hierophant, which is Taurus energy, and that is commitment, marriage. So that's a positive sign that both of you are looking towards commitment and marriage in the future. Let's also go ahead and quickly see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card is the Lovers card, the Sun card, and the Three of Cups. Now with Lovers card, okay, this is Gemini energy. It means that this person has a lot of feelings for you. However, with the Sun card and the Three of Cups, okay, it could mean that maybe somebody was dealing with another person, and that is something that will come out in the open. With the Sun energy, everything comes out. It's bright, okay, and everything can be seen when the sun comes out, right? So maybe this was a kind of a secret that this person, or maybe one of you was hiding, and that's something that is going to come out. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for both of you. So the message that I see here is a time for healing. So the Moonology Oracle card message is very clear that this is a time for both of you to heal. It's a time where you need to take some time out to heal yourself first. Let's quickly also go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is solicitite. The crystal messages, are you trying to process a lot of information? Take the time to sort out all that is happening. Write it in your journal. Make it your intention to remember your dreams. Record your thought and memories upon waking. Find peace as you process each nugget of information, awareness, and spiritual growth. Now, there's also a message here from Archangel Gabriel, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.